And for whatever reason, I don't know why, Connecticut is very well known for the wraps of the cigar, the outer leaf. Kicking all the butts, every of the butts. I can't tell you how to live your life, I can just tell you to live it. Yo world, what's going on? Welcome back to another one. It looks like they're going to repave this road, which is going to be nice. Not that it was really that bad in the first place, but I forgot to start recording before I just pulled out of the cigar shop there, because I had to cross 4 lanes, and I got on the bike and I saw that it was actually free and open, and I hightailed it out of there, you know. Was not expecting to get out so easily, so effortlessly. Do we have to put our foot down? Come on, let's not. There we go. Of course not. No, why would we ever? No, I'm starving, and I could go over there and get a Nardelli sandwich, but I ain't gonna do it, because I'm gonna have lunch with the fam in, I don't know, an hour and a half. I got 6 cigars, which was a lot of cigars, but I just got a humidor, so I'm excited. I kind of just want to throw cigars in the humidor and look at them. No, I'm probably going to give my father-in-law 2. I got one that I think he likes out. This person really freaking went over to the right to take a left. Got to remember, too, to keep an eye out for them cops. The cops are out. Whoop. Whoop. Dude did a really nice thing too. He said, he gave me the card. Dude, this car is distracting as hell. So he gave me one of those cards. He asked if I had a card with him. I'm like, no, never been in here. But I didn't know if it was like a membership thing or it's just a card for buying cigars. So he said, every cigar that you buy that is over $10, he clips the cigar, he clips the card. And after you've done that 10 times, you buy 10 cigars, you get 1 free cigar as long as it's under $10. And he went ahead and I got 6 cigars, but he clipped 9 of the 10. So literally, I go in there later and I get 1 cigar, I get another one free, which is kind of neat. So. My earplugs in, I can barely hear my GPS. Excuse me. So yeah, I've been enjoying cigars lately, and not like I'm going crazy with them. I'm not like having like 1 or 2 a day, or even 1 every day. I'm thinking I'll do like 2 a week, if that. But similar, I don't know, I don't want to say it just like fits with my personality or things that I like, but I appreciate like the handiwork of it. Like they're all, you know, handmade cigars, assuming you're getting handmade cigars. But like I like that, like you're getting this piece of tobacco and the tobacco is from like all over the world, you know. Some of it's from South America, some of it's from another country in South America or the Caribbean, and then like the outer wrap is actually, a lot of them are from Connecticut, I guess, up near the airport, up near the Hartford area. And I've seen them. I think I pointed them out before in the vlog, but I couldn't tell you what episode. The tobacco fields, and for whatever reason, I don't know why, Connecticut is very well known for the wraps of the cigar, the outer leaf. I don't know why we kick so much butt at that, but we do. Kicking all the butts, every of the butts. So I did get, yeah, I got a lot of cigars because I'm experimenting a bit. I'm trying some different ones out. We're gonna see what's good, because that's the other thing too. There's all sorts of kinds of cigars and flavors and construction, and you know. Tried to give you the space, sir. You didn't take it. That's fine. I can't tell you how to live your life. I can just tell you to live it. I'm breezing right through here, though. I'll be honest. God. There's another cop up there. Did he pull? Oh, no, it's road work. Just some road work. I realized I was in that person's blind spot. Not what you want. I desperately need to go get my bike serviced. I got to do it like next week. Maybe I'll bring a cigar. There's an idea. Drop my bike off. It takes like 4 or 5 hours, so you can go and have yourself a time. Dude, I'm breezing through all these lights. Wow. I mean, it's fine either way, but yeah, that could be a thing to do. Go for a walk, sit by that creek I sat by. That was nice. Could do that. That'd be fun. Wow, dude, I'm kind of like blown away right now. Okay, no, I don't want to say I jinxed it. I had a good run. I had a very good run. And the light's already green. I'll be honest though, the fact that I had to slow down this much is ridiculous. I had to put it in first gear. Yeah, that's a sweet looking Tesla there too. Get in the Firestone. Not a smart move to cut off a truck, bro, but you did it anyway. That's fine. Thanks, bro. Thank you, sir. I just cut him off. I cut him off from turning or switching lanes. That's alright. Very talkative this episode. I apologize. Maybe. I guess it makes riding in a straight line a little bit more interesting. Works to like rent a motorcycle and stuff. Like if you go on a vacation, like if I wanted to bring my helmet or something, like my helmet and my gloves and Well, I would like a jacket, but thought about that. I mean, I don't really, you know, like if I go on a vacation and I'm like with my fiance, like I'm not gonna just like rent a bike to go ride around in some place I don't know on a bike I don't know. But anyway, we're just about here, so I guess I'll catch y'all on the flippy flap. Bong diggity. Know what I mean? This is my spot. This be it. Alright, world. We'll catch you later. Ooh, nice little bike over there. That actually looks like the one that I saw for sale on the way up here. But, I don't know. Alright, bye.